Hey y'all, it's Alicia Handles It and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I'll be installing a wig that my model brought. I'll be showing you guys in the video where the wig is from and where you can order it from. Also, I will leave the information down below in the description box. Now this unit is a 5x5 unit, so we're not putting the cap on her whole forehead. We're just doing it from end of the eyebrow to the other end of the eyebrow. And I sewed it down all the way down to the back, and you guys will see how the cap turned out for the install of a 5x5 wig. So I would like to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and on this channel I deal with unboxings, tutorials, how-tos, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad. We'll love on you over here. So as you guys can see right here, the cap is nice and laid, but I'm just reinforcing it because this is for baby girl's baby shower. So guys, this is where the hair is from, curlymehair. That's their info right there. If you want to find them, they're on Google where you can easily find them. And the name of this hair is Curly Me Collection. And that's what we will be applying today. In the box, we got some nice pair of lashes, mink hair lashes. They gave her a headband, which is really nice. I like this headband, but these headbands that they be giving, they're kind of loose. So I'll show you guys a hack on how to make it tight if you want to keep it. And they sent a little pamphlet with a nice, cute girl on the front. She kind of looked like the model I have now when she wasn't pregnant. They give you all the directions and everything you need to know about this beautiful wig, and you get discounts and all that great stuff if you follow their YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. All right, guys, so thank me later because I actually like this wig, and I'm going to ask Lele in a week or so how is this wig while she had it on.
That's how a good girl likes on hay.
And then maybe we can tighten it. No, let me tighten it, and if anything, we can loosen it. Uh-oh, hunger is kicking in. Also, a great thing about this unit is that it's a real HD, so the lace is really, really practically invisible. Another reason why I like this wig.
already.
What?
That he was they're having a baby.
Never.
What you would want, a girl or boy? I was just saying, a girl would be very cute.
This hair, where did you get this hair from again? Amazon or from the actual vendor itself? Guys, go to Google and get it. The Curly Me collection. You won't regret it. It's a beautiful wig, high density. The curls are shiny. It's full. It's nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, review, install of this beautiful lace wig, Real HD lace wig. All the information will be in the description below. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!